everybody. Hi Shaj Mama. Today we are going to make your special chocolate walnut brownie, which I am reading right away from your document. So with no further ado, let's get into the recipe. So these are the ingredients which you have suggested. 1 cup walnut, 1 cup all-purpose flour, dark chocolate 125 grams, 1 chopped, quarter cup of cocoa powder, vanilla extract, 4 eggs. You suggested 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm using brown sugar and white sugar just because I like brown sugar a little bit, and butter, almost melted butter, and a pinch of salt. So I've set the oven for 180-degree preheat, and I have also set the water for boiling. Let's see what we are going to do. So I've greased the pan in which I'm going to make the brownie with butter. Instead of the baking powder, I've just greased it. So the next step in the recipe says that we have to melt the butter and the chocolate in a double boiler. So I'm going to add this 125 grams of butter into a bowl, and the 125 grams of dark chocolate into the bowl, and I've set some water for boiling. Let's go check it out and start mixing it. Please come. So this is the double boiler setup. Just some water, just boiling, and I'm going to add the butter and chocolate into it and start whisking. I think it's going to get silky. Let's see after a few minutes how it turns. So it's been almost 2 minutes now, and the butter and chocolate is almost melted. It looks really silky. Next on the step is to add eggs to this mixture. It's almost done. I'll show you once I start adding the eggs to it. Okay, so now we have the butter and chocolate well mixed. I'm going to add the 4 eggs to it. The recipe does not say anything about separating it, so I'm adding as is. This 4 eggs, and I'm mixing it well. So next will be the flour and the walnuts. So now I've added the cocoa powder, sugar, the walnuts, and giving them all a mix. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I missed to add it along with the flour mix, and also a tablespoon of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let me mix it well. Once this is all combined, we will be adding this to the greased cake base. I'll show you when I start adding that. So the batter is well combined now, the brownie batter. So I'm going to transfer this into the greased brownie pan. Come out good. I hope this is the right texture. Just leveling the batter to make it look even. Okay, so now we have some of the walnuts which we had saved to add as a topping to the brownie. I have crumbled it a little bit. I'm just gonna add them on top. some are not. It's fine. Not so good for health. So I'm just adding. Okay. So the oven is set to preheat 180 degree, and I'm going to place this and cook this for 25 to 30 minutes. Let me check. Yeah, so let me go and keep this inside. Goes into the rack. I'm using the center rack for 30 minutes. I'll meet you after 30 minutes. So I waited 30 minutes patiently and the house smells amazing. So I think the brownie is almost ready. Let's go check and see if it's perfect to take out of the oven. So let's check that. Oh, the brownie is still sizzling. Taken it out of the oven, and the consistency is that when I run a knife into it, it's supposed to come clean. Yeah, the knife is kind of clean. Actually, this had some butter on it, so wow, I think it's really soft. So I'll have to wait and refrigerate it overnight. I'm going to cover it with transparent foil, and usually I really don't have the patience to wait until the brownie is ready for the next day, but today I'm going to go by the recipe. So I will refrigerate it overnight, and in the morning I'm going to take it. Let's see how it comes. Bye bye. Hi everyone. After patiently waiting the whole night, I have cut the brownie into small cubes, and this is the texture. It's really excellent and chewy. If you see that it's still moist, it's not become hard, and the best brownie. I'm not gonna buy brownies outside here afterwards. Thank you so much, Shaju Mama, for sharing this recipe, and I hope you all enjoy making this. I had so much fun making this recipe and making the video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.